Your uploads keep piling up, and one day, surprise, you hit your storage limit at the worst possible moment. Not exactly a great feeling, is it? With Vyroq's library, storage stops being a mystery. Open library, and the storage card sits right at the top, showing X% used with a live progress bar. Below it, by kind, breaks usage down. Audio, images, video, documents, so you can see exactly what's eating your space. Getting close to the edge? At 80%, Vyroq proactively warns you, you're at X% of your storage. Consider upgrading or deleting old files. Push past your limit on an upload, and the storage limit reached card appears instantly, with two honest paths. Delete files to free space or upgrade plan. Click delete files to free space, and Vyroq scrolls you straight to the list. Sort by largest first, and the biggest space hogs are right there, ready to select and clear. No panic, no surprise blocks, just a clear read on what you're using and a clean way to fix it. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.